Body oils sound like they should be the perfect, easy DIY. Take some oil, put it on your body, and you're done, right? Unfortunately, that approach can leave you feeling like you buttered yourself up like a piece of toast. So why do commercial body oils leave you glowing while DIY ones can leave you feeling greasy? In this video, I'm going to teach you the sneaky trick big companies use to create ultra-light body oils, and I'll share a simple, all-natural base formulation that is super customizable so you can easily create your very own dry body oils like the ones sold by Glossier and Moroccan Oil. Before we can get into the formulation, you need to understand what body oil is and what it isn't. Body oils are anhydrous, aka water-free body moisturizers. Body oils don't hydrate because hydration requires water, but they can help lock in water after a shower or a bath, and they definitely soften the skin and leave it supple and glowing. It's easy to think that body oils are, well, oils. It's right in the name, after all. Oils are liquid fats. Examples include olive oil and coconut oil. In skincare, we call these carrier oils. They're different from essential oils like lavender or tea tree, which aren't fatty oils. Now, commercial body oils definitely contain oil, but here's the secret. They aren't entirely oil. They contain other ingredients that make them feel lighter on the skin. But I did say body oils don't contain any water, so if those other ingredients aren't oil and they aren't water, what are they? The ingredients big companies use to create dry-feeling, luxurious body oils perform a lot like real oils, but are lighter and faster absorbing. These ingredients can be natural or synthetic, and there are two main categories. The first and most popular category includes ingredients like medium chain triglycerides, also known as Caprylic Capric Triglyceride, isoamyl cocoate, C12 to 15 alkyl benzoate, and isopropyl myristate. These are all esters. Esters are oil-like ingredients that mix easily with traditional carrier oils but have better spreadability and a more expensive skin feel. The second category is silicones and natural silicone alternatives. Volatile silicones like cyclopentasiloxane are the most common for body oils because they really lighten things up and feel amazing on the skin. So, how do you go about incorporating these ingredients into a body oil? It's pretty simple, and to show you just how simple, I'm going to share a basic formulation for a sprayable body oil that you can easily make your own. The first ingredient we will need is our star, or stars, the oils. Please have some fun here. Choose some carrier oils you are excited about. You can use one or a blend, just try to keep things light and fluid. So I don't recommend, for example, castor oil or shea butter here. You'll need 28.5 grams. The precise composition doesn't matter, just make sure it adds up to 28.5 grams. I'm using a blend of 2 oils, 15 grams of ultralight vitamin-rich rosehip oil, and 13.5 grams of luxurious linoleic acid-rich passionfruit oil. Please don't feel like you have to choose something fancy. Less expensive carrier oils like rice bran oil and sweet almond oil can still create absolutely divine body oils. Up next, we want to include something to extend the life of our beautiful oils. Since body oils do not contain water, we don't need a broad spectrum preservative, but the carrier oils can oxidize and start to smell like old crayons within a few months to a few years, depending on the oils you've chosen and how the final product is stored. To extend the life of your lovely oils, weigh out 1 gram of tocopherol, aka vitamin E. This gorgeous antioxidant slows oxidization and also has protective and moisturizing skin benefits. With the antioxidant, your body oil should last at least a year, but that will vary depending on the oils you've used, how fresh they are, and how you store the finished oil. If you notice your body oil starts to smell stale, check it out and make a fresh batch. This next ingredient is optional, but lovely and a great place to have some more fun customizing the formulation. This is where we're getting some scent. I am completely obsessed with Cuba from Stock Fragrance right now, so I'm using 0.5 gram of that. This fragrance is so rich and complex and positively addictive, but please feel free to use whatever fragrance oil or essential oil you want here. Just be sure it's approved for use at 0.5% in leave-on body products. And if you want this formulation to be all natural, choose something natural. If you prefer an unscented body oil, simply replace the fragrance oil with more of one of your star carrier oils. And now it's time for our slip improving, skin feel lightening, luxury boosting ingredients. I am using 2 all-natural esters to ensure this formulation is something I'll love having on my skin no matter how hot and sticky it is this summer. I'm using a blend of 50 grams medium chain triglycerides and 20 grams isoamyl cocoate. Medium chain triglycerides are typically pretty easy to get, so if you don't have isoamyl cocoate, you can definitely replace it with more medium chain triglycerides. There are also tons of other estery options to choose from, natural and not, at a wide variety of price points, so please read the free partner blog post for lots of suggestions. These esters form 70% of the formulation, and they've got another really awesome benefit. They make this formulation thin enough that it can be misted. A word of warning though, be really careful with where you're misting this oil. Non-stick cooking spray, that's kind of what this is, though it does smell better. So if you mist yourself with oil on a hard surface like a tiled floor or in a bathtub, you'll turn that hard surface into a seriously slippery hazard. I recommend misting the oil while standing on top of a towel. To make this body oil, simply stir everything together and package it up. That's it. Easy peasy. I'm packaging my body oil in mister bottles, but if you don't want to go the misty route, you can also package this oil in a bottle with a treatment pump cap, or a dropper cap, or an orifice reducer. Now, I suspect some of you might want to add a mica to your body oil for some summery shimmer. To do that well is a bit more challenging than just adding mica to your body oil. So, to learn how to make a gorgeous, professional-feeling, shimmery body oil, click here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.